Hi, welcome to my channel. I am so excited to be here today, and I'm so glad that you're watching this video. This is my cute niece, Tawny. Isn't she adorable? I love her so much. But I'll tell you what, you guys, this girl, talk about an entrepreneur. She's married, has 3 darling kids, has a full-time job, and she has developed her own business. And she sells the most adorable and awesome microfiber towels and matching washcloths. You guys, these work so good and they are so stinking cute. And I'm gonna have Tawny tell you all the ways that you can use these. And then we wanted to show you some of her designs, and I want her to tell you about her website and her monthly subscription. So I'm going to turn the time over to you and let you talk about how to use these.
Okay, hey guys, what's up? We have so many designs on our website, 100 to choose from. These are just a few of the Christmas ones that are dropping this season. These make the perfect gift. I love neighbor gifts, teacher gifts, just friend gifts, even rolling these up, wrapping them together with a cute soap set or a soap and a bow, super easy. Not only are they perfect gifts, but they all have the hanging loop, super cute to hang in and around the home, in all my bathrooms, on the stove. You can see a couple behind us here. And then I want to show you my favorite way to use them, because not only are they cute, they're super fun and functional to use in and around the kitchen. So my favorite way to use our hand towels is I just get one side a little bit damp. So I take the one side to get all the fingerprints off the stainless steel. The one side's damp. And then I'll just take the dry side and go along. And if you want to get a little closer right here, all of those fingerprints are gone in one swipe.
So I wanted Tawny to talk to you about her monthly subscription. You can go on her website and just buy the towels and the washcloths individually, or you can sign up for her monthly subscription, which is a great way to save some money and get cute towels each month. So go ahead.
So our monthly subscription is actually bi-monthly, so every other month, so it's not too many towels, it's just the perfect amount. They're usually geared towards the holidays with the months that they fall on. So you can do you have 2 choices. You can choose between 2 hand towels for $26.99 or a hand towel and a matching washcloth for $24.99. We have tons of subscribers. They are obsessed with our subscription. Here's a closer look at some of our best sellers, and it's fun to just mix and match because some go really well together. Here's Christmas, fall, and then these are our washcloth sizes as well.
So I don't know if we mentioned this, but the name of Tawny's company is Unwrapped, and I will put her link to her website in my description box, along with my affiliate link, because if you use my affiliate link, then you save 10%. So get on there and find you some cute towels.